Chicken barbecue with no oven and skewer. Sa Chinese barbecue sauce, gagamit tayo ng 1 tablespoon hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoon Shaoxing wine, 2 tablespoon honey, 3 tablespoon brown sugar, 2 teaspoon 5 spice, 2 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, and grated garlic. And mix very well. 1 kilo chicken fillet, ilagay na yung barbecue sauce, add 1.5 teaspoon atsuete powder, mix very well, refrigerate overnight. Hello po, ito po yung minarinade kong chicken yesterday. No worries po sa walang oven, hindi rin tayo gagamit ng uling, kawali lang po okay na. Naglagay lang ako ng 1 teaspoon olive oil, inilagay na po natin ang chicken, skin down muna po. Bali, 4 na turn po ito and cook slowly sa mahinang apoy. Lagyan natin ng konting marinade sa dulo ng cooking and cook few seconds and tapos na po yan. Kainan na!